Hello, Julie from Wise and Connected, and the tip I have for you today is creating an additional profile in Google. Let me explain what that means. So if I open up my profile at the bottom here, I have two. I have my husband's one and I have mine, which is the Wise and Connected. But if I wanted to add an additional profile so that I could have another business one or a partner's one, go up here to your logo or your name at the top, click on that, and here you can add a profile. So as you can see, I've got LB Connections, which I don't use anymore. I have my husband's one there, and if I want to add another one, I just go to click add here. I go to sign in, so you have to have a Google email address. So in this case, I'm going to use travelforretirement@gmail.com. And then I'm going to go next. I'm going to type my password, which I don't usually remember because I've got a password manager, but I wrote it down. Oh, no, didn't write it down well. Okay, let's see if that works. Correct. Okay, so yes, I'm in. And there we are, easy. Now, if I want to choose a color, let's say I might want to have a green color, or maybe I want travel, what's my travel? Blue. Let's have blue. Okay, so I had blue to start with. There we are, that's my new profile. So up the top here, it says error, simply because I had extensions added on previously. So it's just asking, did I want to relaunch these extensions? So I just go in and remove it from Chrome, or I can go in and I can say, yes, enable the extension. So at the moment, I'm just going to remove them. And there it is. And then you just add your shortcuts that you want so that it's specific to your particular one. Like you might want to add your own email address, your Facebook page, a website, whatever your favorites are, you can profile it or set it up for yourself. So if I go back over to here and I jump over to my husband's one, he has different profiles set up. See there, he's got his Facebook, email, photos, and that's again different to the profile that I have set up for myself, which here you can see I've created different shortcuts. So that's just if you want to switch. So as you can see, then I can jump between two. I can have two Facebook pages open. I can have it there, and I can have his one open on here, and I can have the Wise and Connected if I set it up there. Simple. Just a little tip in case you want an extra profile set up. Julie from Wise and Connected. Follow me on Facebook. Check out my website if you need some one-on-one tutorials. www.wiseandconnected.com.au, and I'm supporting over 50s to get online. Thank you.